So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open the one-time boot menu on FUJITSU Celsius laptop. To open that one-time boot menu, first shut your computer down. It's updating, so I'm gonna do that shortly, but yeah, shut it down and plug the external device. If you want to boot from an external device, plug it in. And yeah, I'm gonna get back to when the computer is shut down. After shutting it down, okay, actually I can do it now. After shutting it down, wait for about 30 seconds to make sure it's fully off and that the light next to the power button goes completely dark. And after that, don't press on the power button and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 on your keyboard. Once you hear a beep, you can release that F12 key, and now you can select the boot device using arrows. And that's basically it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.